many people
But
are visiting.
but you know that tourist place is another things. You can don't invest in the bullet train in that amount of money.
But bullet train track will be made under the sea tunnel, and as a sea tunnel of 27 kilometers.
But you know that large amount of invested in bullet train.
But I want to inform that Japan will invest 80% money in this project. So it is officially a beneficial project for both of countries, and the bond between both of countries is increasing by this project.
But you know that local train is very bad result.
हाँ.
So the investment.
I want to inform you that the government initiated to
Many of the initiative have taken for this, for bullet train, and so for previous railway also we are taking the initiatives.
The government has also taken the many projects and many schemes to improve our local railway system.
The budget of bullet train is 1.1 lakh crore, and Japan will provide the 88,000 crore rupees.
But you know that
In my opinion, the investment of 1.5 lakh crore required for a single line. This is more. Instead, this money can be
more invested in single line.
Situation
To Mumbai to Ahmedabad.
But as the time of ISRO and Maruti Suzuki, all the people were opposed. But at the time ISRO was given 100 to 300 million earning to India, and the Maruti Suzuki increases the GDP of our India 7.1%.
But there are still many problems, like our Indian railway infrastructure is not so good, and you want to launch the bullet train in.
But for this we are building a new structure of railway.
Separate direct lines for
As you already at present the Indian Railways it earns much profit from freight train as compared to the passenger train. So what about the bullet train? In future, the bullet train will give the same amount of
The
profit.
bullet train will carry the 1500% at a time, and they carry the much. And as we know, the bullet train carry many passengers. Sometimes the entrepreneurs will be there, and the value of their time is very high.
But you know that the festival time of just like Diwali, Holi, you can number of passengers is very high, and only seven train in travel to Mumbai to Ahmedabad. You can be every passenger to train ticket 4 months ago, 4 months after.
I think every coin has we know our coin has two faces. If every time we talk about the negativity, so how we developed our country?
But you know that the bullet. But you know that this condition, our country GDP is very low. You can know that.
You can't say
When the time Japan and China introduced or established the bullet train, his GDP was less than our India's GDP. But they doesn't think about this. If that time they think about that situation, so how they deal with us? Now the time that bullet train will be given us by the Japan. So as we hope in future, if we will establish or launch the bullet train, we will give the bullet train to many countries, because many small countries does not have the bullet trains.
But you know that the land amount invested in bullet train. You invest in the local train, our local train is a very good condition, and Indians are very good facility to how to provide a good.
And railway network is initiated to providing us some facilities, more facilities to local railways. But this project is a dream project of whole nation, and we should start it because we are developing in a developed country, and for developed country we should start it like these projects.
And I think as a developed country, we need some projects like bullet train and many other projects. If we think about only the negative phase of this project, we can't develop our country.
Our country 90% people are middle class family.
Yeah.
They don't have purchase in the bullet train.
But I think our middle class
What is the advantage of our country came in bullet train?
I want to inform you that Mumbai is also financial capital, and if a bullet train starts from Mumbai to Ahmedabad, then there is not type of uses that middle class family can not suffer in a bullet train. It is just your point of view thinking that he can't suffer.
But you know that
Bullet project, when the bullet project was established, they get the employment of many workers, laborers, engineers, and the company, and we learn the technique of the bullet train making, and in future we also sell the bullet train to other countries.
Yeah, and the most one thing is
more benefit.
bullet train is eco-friendly. There is not need to deforestation for this project.
Okay, but
I agree with
But
Khalid, and I
according to
also
the
want to add
But according to
some
the
benefits
situation-
of. I also want to add some benefits of that of bullet train. Bullet train will be helpful in reducing traffic and booming economy and boosting manufacturing sector and upgrading technology also. If we will get many technology by bullet train in future generation, and if we
if we take the example of a station which is building in a place A, when the station build up, the many shops and many people have established their business in the area of the railway station.
But you know that Mumbai to Ahmedabad, how can we another state and only Mumbai to Ahmedabad? Why?
Yes, now
the
the
political reason to connect the Mumbai to Ahmedabad. How to explain this?
it just only started, not it developing.
Okay,
But you know that he started to why Mumbai to Ahmedabad? He started to
Yeah, I want to give our answer.
But
Because Mumbai is a financial capital of India and Ahmedabad is a Manchester of India. So we want to connect it because
But you know that the capital of India is what? Delhi. But how to connect to Mumbai?
it's not about capital of India. It's about Manchester
It
of
is the topic of bullet train, not why they choose these cities and these cities.
Yes, I
What we know our infrastructure of the railway system. We know that in India's railway infrastructure there is the maximum speed for the trains is about 1 km per hour, and we know that the bullet train speed is about 150 km per hour. So how the railway system manage it?
Yeah, I agree with my friend, for the bullet train, another infrastructure will be set up for the bullet train. And you talk about our infrastructure was very lost, but the bullet train will be introduced when the bullet train will be introduced, our infrastructure will be good because bullet train is also in our infrastructure.
But we
Railways.
know that the first bullet train is run in India about in August 2022, and how in this little time we improve our infrastructure. We need more time.
But I can clarify to you, the bullet train will be not introduced in 2022. The project will be delayed. It is to 2026.
I want to add something here. The cost of setting up a bullet train is about $17 billion. At present, we all know that the railway is not at its best. So we should focus more on spending those money on the betterment of railway and making the railway much safer and much comfortable for our passengers.
But if we think about but we are improving the present railway system now. But if we think about only to improve our present railway system, so how can we develop? And let us take an example. If we have a old bike in our house,
I'm disagreeing your point. I'm disagreeing.
And you talked about why we will not spend some money to the our railway system. Japan will provide us the project of bullet train, not to our railway system. And when a bullet train will be comes, we get more benefits to in our Indian economy. And then we will invest the money to our infrastructure of railways.
I am agree with my friends. When the first train introduced from Mumbai to Thane, if we thinks that the trains is not good, then how the train developed? At the times the trains carry approximately 90%.
And also bullet train connect the many small cities, and they also get developed through the bullet trains.
and if bullet train starts, then local leaders automatically start initiated to provide best facilities to their railways because bullet train also attract foreigners and other peoples to suffer in this type of trains.
But you know that's attractive. Why bullet train? Why the large amount of investing in bullet train is attractive?
Yes, sir.
I clarify this. Japan will be provide the money for bullet train project, not for our monuments project.
Okay, this is a very good project, but we can't underestimate the situation of our country. We know that still there are.
As we see the condition of Japan when he first started the bullet train, his GDP is very less than from the present GDP of India.
Was the company in Second World War?
But you know that bullet train speed is 350 km per hour, and our Indian local railway about the maximum high speed is 180 to latest news, and this train time is
For this
For this project, we are setting up new infrastructure for the
And this structure is made in a side of our explicit
I would
economics.
like to answer Ashish's question. If we are setting up for bullet train project, then we will set up the more stronger infrastructure for that. And our government also establishing a HSR training institute, and who all are working in that project. They are going to train over there perfectly, and then they are working over there, and we will make it more stronger than the.
But you know that the element of bullet train is very good. But you know that Ukraine, China, and South Korea, is very.
You talk about safety
But you know
measures.
that
China-
very dangerous to bullet
But
train.
here you talk about safety measures. China will provide us this project at the 18% cheaper rate, but we didn't take from this because Chinese product was not safe here. Japan's product was more safe here because in Japan we know the earthquake was most come, and in this condition bullet train will be survived. So I think we doesn't want to talk about the safety measures of bullet trains.
Yes, and for safety, railway initiated many type of facilities to avoid the accident like this.
But you know that sir says, sponsor says, you transport railway with very high income to the local railway. To how to explain the bullet train?
We are
More advantage to the Indian. How to explain this?
Why we are comparing the transport railways with the local railways? The transport railways is a different part of Indian railway.
But you know that 90% of people of our country.
So friends,
That's not happening.
as we see further of time, we have a wonderful discussion of our GD topic, bullet train project in India. Now I want to conclude this topic that bullet train projects in India,
and change is necessary for all of us. But as see our present situation, we want to delay the project, and when our infrastructure of our Indian Railway was good, then we want to launch our bullet train project.
Yeah, because bullet train project
I
is
want to add also one point. Once India get Japanese technology, India also will start to export it into other countries and stock of bullet trains.
And also India developed due to this bullet train project, and the GDP also increases due to it.
Okay friends, so overall conclusion is that this bullet train project is very good for India and it's a great step for development for our country. But it needs some time for some development and upgrades, so it take time
Delay
and
this project
it is
even for a future.
yes. Thank you.